So, like we said earlier, a plant whose reliability is optimized should be able to have an overall equipment effectiveness of more than 95%, and also asset availability of more than 98%. Then the ratio of the maintenance cost, that is the asset maintenance cost to the replacement value, should be less than 1.2%. Okay, if the reliability of the asset is optimized. Then the average return on the assets will also be more than 15% if it is reliable and optimized. Okay, then the lost time incident rates, which are the safety incidents around that particular asset, will be less than 0.3%. Like we said earlier, a reliable plant is a safe plant to operate. Then the planned work is more than 90%, and reactive work is less than 10%. Those emergency unplanned maintenance activities, okay, will be less than 10%. So these are the KPIs that we are striving to attain. Okay,